So here's the big picture on the satellite radar view. Change in the weather is going to be abrupt going into Wednesday. We're looking at a lot of clouds off the coast right now, but this weather system back here is going to catch up with it, and it's going to help to squeeze out the rain here in Northern California, help to pick up the wind as well. So in the meantime, tomorrow is just basically a transition day. We just won't see as much sunshine. It won't be quite as warm, but still fairly mild, generally in the 60s. So here come the clouds. This is going into tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. Again, Tuesday is completely dry. Just some high thin clouds shielding the sunshine through the day tomorrow. Then we get into Wednesday. Wednesday morning, the commute is fine. Sending the kids off to school, it's fine. We just have a couple of scattered showers along the coast and to the north. Now we get into the afternoon hours. You'll probably feel the breeze picking up, and by sunset and thereafter, the rain is coming down in the Bay Area. It's starting to push into Sacramento, and then overnight we'll get these bands of rain. Some of it could be heavy, and we'll add in some gusty winds coming up from the south during the overnight as well. And then the snow during the overnight will start to pick up in the Sierra, and likely by Thursday morning, say around 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning during the commute, we'll have some lingering rain. It just won't be as heavy as what will come through overnight, but that snow will be steady and heavy at times on Thursday morning, likely at about 6,000 feet and higher. So here are the impacts we're thinking. The Sierra snow, we're going to squeeze out about a foot to a foot and a half at least. There could be some spots more in that 20-inch range above 7,000 feet. Rain amounts at least an inch around Sacramento, probably ballpark about an inch and a half. There could be some spots less than that, a little bit more in a few other spots. And the wind, crank it up to about 35 to maybe 40-mile-an-hour gusts. We'll have to watch this. This looks a little stronger than the last system last week that came through. And the flooding concerns, we're thinking it really is just that roadway flooding, that ponding that happens when it comes down pretty hard, and the poor drainage areas just won't be able to collect that water easily. So you might find some standing water on the roads hitting them on Thursday morning. Pollock Pines, we're in the 60s today, 50s around Lake Tahoe. The foothills today climbing to about 70 in many spots along the 49 corridor, 70 in Placerville and Sonora. Coastal Hills and Fairfield, temperatures in the 70s today, 67 in San Francisco and around Lakeport near 70. San Joaquin Valley, again, we're going to see those temperatures right around 70 degrees in Modesto, 71 in Manteca and Lodi, and around Sacramento too. Roseville and Folsom seeing those highs at or just above 70 degrees this afternoon. Tomorrow, though, we will pull it back to the 60s, highs around mid to upper 60s, and then we get that evening rain and wind to come in Wednesday, linger into Thursday morning, but most of the rain turns showery on Thursday, and we'll have showers mixing in on Friday, and a little bit of snow continues Thursday into Friday too, so it might be tricky travel.
It's been a nice break.
It's wonderful out there.
It's been so nice. All right, Eileen, thank you.